Good morning, everyone. I am Ria, and welcome back to my channel Wonderbee. So today is a new episode. Is the fourth episode of my daily vlog series, and I'm sitting again with my cup of coffee here. So it's 8:30 in the morning, जहाँ कि मैं already 6 o'clock उठ गई थी, and I was with the editing of yesterday's vlog, which I'll be uploading in few hours. And yes, today is Sunday and a very happy Sunday to everyone. Sunday we feel काफ़ी वो positive वाला vibe आता है ना, because it's a holiday for everyone. तो हम लोग बचपन से like Sunday means it's a holiday, be it school or office or anything. तो Sunday का vibe वैसे ही रहता है, holiday वाला chilling वाला mood रहता है. And we spend our time with our family, friends, watching movies, doing fun activities and stuff like that. And it really makes us happy, and वो coming week उसका effect रहता है, क्योंकि Sunday is the day where we like don't take any workload, no pressure, कोई टेंशन वाला काम नहीं करना है. It's just a chilling day. Sunday is like we boost ourselves with lot of energies and happiness, and we store in within, and that helps us to cover our next complete week at our workplace, on wherever it is. And again we look up to only on Sundays कि जहाँ पे like again we can come back and relax. Okay, as Sunday is a kind of boosting day with the positive vibes and energy, so I thought why not to boost myself and some of my loved ones in my life. So yeah, so the task of the day in my life today will be sharing some positive thoughts or positive notes to a few of my loved ones. Then what I'll be doing, I'll be sharing 3 affirmation notes to each of them with a reason why I love them, and I will even ask them to send a one affirmation note each one. So I'll be gathering 3 affirmation note today from 3 individuals, which I'll make a note and I'll stick on somewhere which will be visible to me every day, and I hope that will help me when I go down or when my mood goes upset. So that will help me keep motivated. So yeah, let's do this, but first let me finish my coffee. Hey guys, so actually अभी 5:30 बज गए. It's 5:40 PM evening के, तो and day का सारा काम हो गया. So I was quite busy with my work today, and also as I told you my brother-in-law is here, तो उसके साथ गटर पटर करते करते like काफ़ी टाइम चला गया. And we had late lunch today, really late. It was almost 3:30. तो हमने खाना पकाया, खाना खाया, लेट काम सब हो गया. And here now I am to do the task of the day, जो कि affirmations या positive notes मुझे send करने थे 3 individuals who are close to my life. तो yeah, तो right now I'll be sending them and let's see कब तक वो लोग रिप्लाई करते हैं, and I'll tell you all about that. तो I'll send one by one. मैंने उनके लिए affirmations already notes में मैंने लिख के रखे हैं. Okay, what I'll do, I'll select one by one and I'll tell you who are the person, ताकि आप लोग को भी पता चले. First I'll be sending Jui. Her good name is like Shatabdi. So Jui is my best friend, the best friend of my life. So yeah, here I will send her the affirmations I made for her. 1 minute. Okay. तो क्या लिखा है that I will tell you once they reply me. हाँ ना, once they reply me with their reply, along with that I'll tell you what I have sent them. तो अभी के लिए like Jui Ria, that means my friend Jui को मैंने send किया है, तो she is done. So next I will send Shruti Chechi, means Shruti Didi. Chechi means Didi in Malayalam. So she is my sister-in-law from Kerala. तो या तो ये मैंने श्रुति चेची का निकाल लिया. And yes, I'll paste the affirmation I have written for her. Okay, so Shruti Chechi. Okay, so she is done. Okay, and one more person सो मैंने 3 बोले थे, तो 3 व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस लाइक whom टू पिक, तो 3 फीमेल्स के नेम ही मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले आया. एंड या ओके, द लास्ट पर्सन आई विल बी सेंडिंग इज Shumu. So Shumu is again my sister-in-law from Assam. She is my brother's wife. So yeah, so I'll be sending Shumu the affirmation and let's see what she reacts. So Shumu is done. So all the 3 is done, and yes, Jui is typing something. She is online already. হঠাৎ ও তো ভাব কেনে রে গো মাই. Okay, she wrote in Bengali. She wrote in actually Sylheti. Sylheti is a version of Bengali. तो Bengali में ही आता है, बंगाली लैंग्वेज में ही एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है. तो शी इज़ लाइक, आई जस्ट ट्रांसलेट लाइक, सडनली व्हाट हैपन टू यू, लाइक सो मच ऑफ लव एंड इमोशन टू मी, व्हाट हैपन टू यू लेडी. तो शी इज़ जस्ट राइटिंग दैट. ओके, so let me wait for the other 2 and let's see what they reply me with, what affirmation they gives me, and I'll come back to you and share you all that. तो yeah, in a minute, like अभी 45 को मैंने सेंड किया, 46 Jui has replied, and then 47 Shumu. Okay, and then they are typing, and Jui is like, I'll kick you for all this. Because also with the affirmation I have asked them to give me an affirmation. And she is like, one kick to you. Okay, तो 2 जन के replies already आ गए, and Jui and Shumu का, and I'm waiting for Shruti Chechi. I tried to call her too, but maybe she's busy with something. Okay, so I'll just tell you, starting from Jui. So to Jui, I wrote her 3 affirmation positive points. Number 1, you are strong in mind. 2, you are beautiful in heart. And number 3, you are an all-rounder. And then I love you for your warm and welcoming nature. So as she is my best friend, so she has a very warm and welcoming nature. So that is very true. तो मैं उससे मिली हूँ during my college days, graduation days, and she has such a warm personality. So she was the one who because I was new to the college and also to the location. I was not in my hometown, तो दूसरे शहर में मैं गई थी पढ़ने के लिए. And yeah, she welcomed me and she helped me a lot during those days. And yeah, so this is for her. And मैंने सबको ये ऐसा नोट करके बताया कि please read it all the you are as I am. मैंने because as I wrote to them कि you are the phrase you, so I have asked them to read as I am, so that like they believe in themselves and it happens to them. And first like she was using slang on me, writing suddenly all of this, तो जो एक दोस्ती में होता है ना, तो and then she was very sweet and kind to give me the affirmation lines for me. Not only one, I asked for one, she passed me 3 lines. So for me, the phrases she mentioned are, you are multi-talented. नहीं हूँ, but I will believe that I am multi-talented. You are kind-hearted soul. Yeah, I am kind-hearted soul. And then the last one is, you are poetic in nature. Yes, I am poetic in nature. So I believe in this. And hopefully it stays with me long. I'll believe with gratitude all of this. Yes. And then she says, you will be mine forever, sweetest bestie in my life. Always be my side. Oh, that's cool. Yes, I will be always hers. And that's true. कोई छीन नहीं सकता है. ऐसी पक्की दोस्ती है. So this was from Jui. Thank you, Jui. Then Shumu has replied me, my sister-in-law. From Assam. So even my best friend is from Assam. So both are from Assam. So for Shumu, what I felt and I have passed her the affirmation points are, number 1, you are perfect decision maker. She is a good decision maker that I believe, and she should believe it too. You are beautiful and smart. she's very beautiful and she is smart, and you are evolving your best version every day. So that was the third one. So yeah, she is evolving a lot in all her aspects of life. That is what I can feel, and I feel that's a good way, that's a good thing in life, to evolve and be the best version each and every day with every learnings. So yeah, that is happening to her, and she should believe it too. Then I have mentioned I love you for your instant communication skill, happy for you. So this was actually a tease point because she is younger to me and I can tease her anytime. So उसको कहीं भी बिठा दो, एक्चुअली द थिंग इज, उसको कहीं पे बिठा दो, कोई भी टॉपिक पे बिठा दो, कोई भी माहौल में बिठा दो, शी विल इंस्टेंटली स्टार्ट communicating with the people around, and that's a very good skill actually. And I mentioned it as a teasing factor because like when you are not in mood to talk, or like you want to come out of the communication thing, कभी कभार होता है ना कि बोर हो रहे हो आप, वो ग्रुप में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है अड्डा मार के, तो you can just push her in and you can just skip away from that, and that's what the point says. And she replied me as thank you Di. Okay, then she's happy for this. And then she has mentioned for me, okay, she has mentioned in the way like, you are a beautiful, strong and a kind-hearted soul. Okay, I am beautiful, I believe it, I am beautiful, I am strong, and I am kind-hearted soul. Number 2 says, you have both intelligence and a creative mind, which is just awesome. Intelligence का तो पता नहीं है कितना है, but I will believe it. I have both intelligence and creative mind, which is just awesome. And then the third says, you have a heart which brings smile to every face you meet. Okay, that's very true, and I believe it. I have a heart which brings smile to every face I meet. Love you Lord. Yeah, I love you too, Shumo. Always be happy. Yeah, same to you. So here I have mentioned 2, Jui, my best friend, and Shumo, my sister-in-law, and I am waiting for Shruti Cheche, and let's see how, like whenever she replies, I'll come back and I'll tell you, I'll share you the thing. तो मैंने क्या किया, आई जस्ट टुक ए चार्ट पेपर पीस एंड आई जस्ट कॉर्नर्स में मैंने इससे डेकोरेट कर दिया. तो मेरे पास ये टेप्स थे, वो ग्लिटर वाले टाइप, यू नो. ये कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, एंड आई हैव प्लेस्ड इट इन माई कबोर्ड ओनली, तो ताकि लाइक मुझे डेली दिखे. हियर व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट jot down all the affirmation lines I have just received. This will be like very beneficial for me, like daily morning I can just wake up and go and read this out loud and then start my day. So that's very cool. So I'll just jot down this. So I have all these colors and I'll just jot down the lines. It's 9 o'clock and Shruti Chechi has just replied me, so I'll tell you fatafat what she has replied me. So what I have shared her, the 3 affirmation positive notes is like, you are a strong woman. So she is a really strong woman. Then the second one, you are kind and caring. She is very caring, so she cares for everyone, and she's very sweet too. And the third is, you are smart and pretty, and also she is a very smart lady and a pretty beautiful lady too. And I have mentioned that I love her for being positive and for her supporting nature. So blessed to be her sister. So this was what for her. I have mentioned like I love her for her positive and supporting nature, and this That's very true. She supports everyone for all good decisions. She will always be a backup for everyone. That is for sure. क्योंकि मेरे केस में भी ऐसा है तो she will always like push me कि हाँ okay whatever it is like you can do it. That supporting nature is like helped me a lot in many of the cases of my life, like to overcome my fearness, or you know, to get confidence and complete that task whatever it may be. So she is always there as a supporting role in my life. दूसरों को पता नहीं, but she is always there for me as my supporting partner, you can say. Yeah. Then she replied me just 5 minutes back. She just replied me the affirmations for me. So even she was very sweet to send me like 3 positive notes. The first one says is, you are strong and confident. So yeah, I am strong and confident. I believe in that. You are worthy of love and affection. I am worthy of love and affection. I believe that too. And the third goes as, you are intelligent and brave. Again, intelligent, I don't know, but I will believe again, I am intelligent and brave. तो इसमें मुझे थोड़ा अटकना पड़ रहा है, but I will believe I am intelligent and brave. So this was what from Shruti Chechi, and thank you Shruti Chechi for being so sweet. तो मैंने क्या किया, जस्ट टुक दिस पीस ऑफ चार्ट पेपर एंड इसके सराउंडिंग्स बॉर्डर लाइन में आई जस्ट यूज दिस ग्लिटर टेप्स दिस आई वाज हैविंग, एंड इसको मैंने स्टिक ऑन कर दिया इसमें इन माई कबोर्ड डोर. तो इट्स जस्ट हियर ताकि लाइक इट्स वेरी मच विजिबल, मॉर्निंग में उठते ही इसको देखूँ. एंड एज आई टोल्ड माई विश बोर्ड इज़ हेयर, तो इसको डेकोरेट करना अभी भी बाकी है. तो दैट आई विल डू मोस्टली टुमारो, आई विल डू दैट. एंड या सो जितने भी एफर्मेशन मुझे आज मिले हैं, आई हैव जॉटेड एवरीथिंग हियर. तो ये सारा एफर्मेशंस यहाँ पे है. So guys, this was all about today's task. I really enjoyed doing this. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा था. It's really a good thing to share positive thoughts to each other. Even the other person feels really good and good about this, and it helps. It really helps when you believe in yourself, and you like it helps you to like move forward in your life and to achieve your goals, to achieve your dreams. It's a benefit thing overall. So मैं ये इतना ही कहूँगी, like to keep motivating your surroundings, your friend, your family, whoever it is, keep supporting them, keep motivating them. तो क्या होता है, that will affect even you, and keep believing in yourself. So this is how I will be working for me. Usually मैं बहुत motivated रहती हूँ खुद से, but still these are these are the key points where we can like always come up when we go down, or when we are in our like in our negative mood or something. We can always come up to this kind of notes, and you can read these beautiful lines, and you will again be back in your life with a positive energy, positive note. And yeah, with that I'll end this video today, and I'll see you tomorrow with something new again to do in my life. And yeah, so till then, take care, good night.